Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Hey, guys, welcome back. Today we're diving into the most common problem with 2017 Toyota Tacoma pickup truck issues. These trucks are built to last, but like any vehicle, they have their quirks. We'll cover common problems and how to fix them so you can keep your Tacoma running smoothly. Carhelpout here, a simple way to get an independent certified mobile mechanic service to come to you at any location at your convenience. Buckle up, let's get this show on the road.
Don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast and as-is condition anywhere in the U.S., either to stop foreclosure, avoid county tax auction, or unwanted house, go to boracina.com/Carhelpout and get a relief under house burden.
First up, let's talk about the 6-speed automatic transmission. Owners report issues like jerky shifting and delayed acceleration. The software controlling the transmission can be finicky. Make sure your transmission fluid is fresh and check for software updates from Toyota. If problems persist, consult a mechanic. These steps can help smooth things out.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Next, let's talk about the engine. The heart of your vehicle, the engine, is crucial for smooth performance and reliability. When it starts to show signs of trouble, it can be quite concerning. Some owners report rough idling and sluggish acceleration. These symptoms can be frustrating and may indicate underlying issues that need to be addressed promptly. Often the culprits are clogged air filters or dirty fuel injectors. Over time, these components can become contaminated, leading to reduced airflow and inefficient fuel delivery. Replace air filters regularly, especially in dusty environments. A clean air filter ensures that your engine receives the proper amount of air, which is essential for optimal combustion. Use a fuel injector cleaner to maintain performance. This helps to remove deposits that can build up over time, ensuring that your fuel injectors are working efficiently. Toyota has also released software updates for the ECU. These updates can improve engine performance and address specific issues that may be causing rough idling or sluggish acceleration. A trip to the dealership for a software update might be all you need. The technicians can ensure that your vehicle's software is up to date and functioning correctly. These steps can help improve engine performance. By addressing these common issues, you can ensure that your Toyota Tacoma runs smoothly and efficiently, providing you with a reliable and enjoyable driving experience. Now let's discuss rear differential leaks. Some owners notice oil spots from the rear differential. Often a worn-out differential gasket is the cause. Replacing the gasket is straightforward for a mechanic. If you hear strange noises, get it checked out ASAP.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Let's move on to electrical issues. Owners report problems like finicky touchscreens and random warning lights. Ensure your infotainment system software is up to date. Try disconnecting the battery to reset the system. Persistent issues may require a mechanic's expertise. Let's talk about brakes. Some owners experience premature brake wear. Check your brake pads regularly and replace them as needed. Inspect your rotors for grooves or scoring. If the brake pedal feels soft, bleed the brakes to remove air. Addressing these issues ensures reliable braking. Don't wait to get them checked out. Safety first. By staying proactive, you can enjoy a smoother, safer driving experience.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Let's talk about paint and rust. Some owners report premature paint peeling and rust. Wash your Tacoma regularly, especially in winter. Consider rust-proofing the undercarriage. Touch up paint chips to prevent rust spots. That wraps up our rundown of common 2017 Toyota Tacoma problems. We hope this video has been informative and helpful for all you Tacoma enthusiasts out there. Whether you're a seasoned owner or a new buyer, knowing these potential issues can save you time and money in the long run. These trucks are generally reliable, but being aware of common problems can help you maintain them better. Regular maintenance and early detection of issues are key to keeping your Tacoma running smoothly for years to come. Stay on top of your maintenance schedule and address any issues promptly to avoid bigger problems down the road. A well-maintained Tacoma is a joy to drive and can handle both city streets and off-road adventures with ease. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. We regularly post videos on car maintenance, reviews, and tips to help you get the most out of your vehicle. Got a Tacoma problem we didn't cover? Drop a comment below and let us know. We love hearing from our viewers, and your feedback helps us create better content. Until next time, drive safe and keep your truck in top shape. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.